Hello students, today we will revise short question answers of first 4 chapters of class 8th. But before we start our revision, I request you to please subscribe the channel. To subscribe the channel, you have red color button on your screen. You just have to press on it. So now let's start our revision. First question is, dash is used to move the cursor in the adjoining cell of a table. Adjoining cell means next cell. Options are CTRL means control, shift, tab or home. Answer is tab. Tab button of keyboard is used to move the cursor in the adjoining cell. Next is the table button is present on the dash tab. Options are home, layout, insert, view. Answer is insert tab. Table button is present on insert tab. Next is we can change the width of a column by selecting the dash button in the table group. Options are select, view, grid lines, properties. And the answer is properties. Properties button is used to change the width of a column. Next is the dash contains the text that we send to all recipients. Options are data source, merged document, main document, none of these. Answer is main document. Main document contains the text or letter that we have to send to all the recipients. Next is dash consists of mailing list. Options are data source, merged document, main document, none of these. Answer is data source. Data source contains all the addresses of recipients on which we have to send the main document. International network of computers is known as. Options are ARPANET, Internet, Intranet, Ethernet. Answer is Internet. When we collect 2 or more computers, it forms a network. But when we connect different networks, it forms internet. WWW stands for. Options are World Wide Web, World Web Wide, Web World Wide, Wide Web World. You all know this answer. So answer is World Wide Web. It's very common. Dash is an online conversation over internet. Options are e-commerce, chatting, email, World Wide Web. So the answer is chatting. We all do chatting via WhatsApp or Facebook messengers with our friends. So chatting is an online conversation. Next is dash is the fastest way of sending mails. Options are Telegram, WhatsApp, ISP, email. So the answer is email. Email is the fastest way of sending mails. Within just 1 or 2 seconds, we can send or receive emails. Dash is a device that connects a computer with a telephone line. Options are mobile, mouse, telephone, modem. Test student, what is the answer? It's modem. Modem is a device that connects a computer with a telephone line. Modem is necessary to connect internet. Dash means our computer is receiving data from internet. Options are uploading, downloading, surfing, none of these. So the answer is downloading. Downloading means when we download anything from internet. It means that we are receiving data from internet. The opening page of website is usually called dash. Options are home page, web page, main page or none of these. Answer is home page. The first page that opens when we open any website. This page is called home page. Next is dash means to move from one website to another website on the internet. Options are surfing, searching, downloading, all of these. Answer is surfing. When we connect to internet and we open any website, then in order to find our data, we move from one website to another website. This is called surfing. Dash indicates the state of connectivity with the internet. Options are offline, inline, online, email. So, online indicates the state of connectivity with the internet. Means online means that we are connected with the internet. Dash is a form of electronic commerce which allows the consumers to directly buy goods from a seller over internet. Options are e-commerce, email, e-governance, modem. So answer is e-commerce. When we do business on internet, we purchase things or we sell things on internet. This is called e-commerce. Dash is a presentation program. Options are PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Paint. So the answer is very simple, PowerPoint. We create presentations in PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is a presentation program. PowerPoint has dash views. Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 5. We can see the slides in different 5 views. In dash view, we cannot add the slide material. Options are slideshow, normal, slide sorter, none of these. So the answer is slide sorter view. In slide sorter we cannot add the slide material. Presentation can be made by dash methods. Options are 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 6. We can make presentation by 6 different methods. There are dash categories of smart art. Options are 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. There are 8 categories of smart art. Next is true false. You have to tell whether the statement is true or false. So first is press shift plus tab key to move to the next cell of a table. So tell this is true or false. This is false. Shift plus tab key is not used to move to the next cell. Only tab key is used. Shift key plus tab key is used to the previous cell. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. Answer is true. Next is data source is a document of a word that contains the text which will be sent to all recipients. Answer is false. Data source is not a document of words. It is a list of recipients. Data source contains all the list of recipients. Split cell option is present on the table group. Answer is true. Cells cannot be merged in a table. Answer is false. We cannot merge cell in a table. Next is, a web page is a collection of websites. Answer is false. Web page is not a collection of websites. Rather, website is a collection of different web pages. Internet Explorer is the name of ISP. Answer is false. Internet Explorer is the mode of opening internet on computer system. But ISP is a company name, is a internet connection provider name. Facebook is one of the most popular social networking website. Answer is true. Internet computers communicate through network. Of course, yes. The software that allows you to explore information on the web is called website. Answer is false. Website is not a software. Next is, the result of any board or university can be seen online. Yes, all we know that result of any university or board like 12th, 8th and 10th, we all see our result on internet. We can do web surfing even when we are offline. Answer is false. When we are offline, how can we surf? How can we open internet? So, in order to open internet or surf websites, we have to be online or we have to be connected with the internet. A website has only a single page, that is web page. Answer is false. A website is not only a single page. A website contains many pages. Next is, web search is the act of finding web pages. Answer is true. Each web page has its own unique website address. Answer is true. So students, I hope you all understand the questions. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video maximum. Thank you so much.